Introducing Phantas, your all-in-one commercial cleaning robot from Gausium. Designed for both hard and soft floors, Phantas combines multiple cleaning modes with advanced AI to deliver a spotless finish every time. Phantas integrates 4 cleaning modes in one compact machine: vacuuming, sweeping, scrubbing, and dust mopping. That versatility means it can remove loose debris, scrub away spills, and finish with a dust mop shine. As one of the smallest commercial floor cleaners on the market, Phantas navigates narrow aisles and under-table areas with ease. Zero Distance Edge Cleaning feature uses side brush and high-precision sensors to clean right up to the tables and corners. Even if your site always changes layout, our robot can update its map in real time on the fly and read its environment in 3 dimensions. Once done, it will return to its workstation to charge. It only takes 2 hours for the Phantas to fully charge. From there, it can work 4 to 14 hours on its tasks. Maintenance for the Phantas is super simple. Like the rest of the Gausium fleet, all brushes and rollers are magnetically attached, meaning they can pop right off. For wet and dry cleaning, you simply have to lift the storage tank and clean it out. When it's done, empty the dust bag or water tanks. Lastly, inspect your brushes, rollers, and trays to ensure nothing is caught inside. For offices, retailers, hotels, and small to medium facilities, the Phantas is your all-in-one cleaning partner that saves time. Its compact design and multi-mode versatility make it a cost-effective investment for cleaner, more sustainable spaces. If you want to see the Phantas in action, contact us today for a free trial or a demo.